back with the Mer Mom, also known as Heather, and I am going to show you today to get that mermaid beachy waves look to go with my mermaid inspired makeup I've got going on. I've got this gorgeous pink with the wingtip, also goes with the pink. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna separate your hair into two parts, like you're gonna give yourself pigtails. And once you've got that, you're going to separate each side again into two more parts. And then once you've got that done, you're going to braid these separated parts that you've got. It doesn't matter, they don't have to be perfect. You're only going to use it to get the waves you want with your flat iron. So just braid those. All right. Now I'm going to fasten it with these really small little hair bands. To me, that's much easier than a ponytail, because with a ponytail you're going to have to wrap it around like 16 different times to get it to hold. And with these little rubber bands, you don't need that much. So we've got the one braid. Now we're going to give ourselves another one. Now I separate it into two parts instead of just doing pigtails, because then you can give that wavy look to more of your hair, and the curls tend to come out a little bit closer together. As if you did it all in one pigtail, then it would be fatter curls, which is no big deal, but for me it just didn't come out the way I wanted it to. I haven't actually tried doing it in two separate pigtails, so we're gonna go on this journey together. So now I've got those on that side. You're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. Separate it into two parts and then braid each part. And now for the last braid. Oh, looks like I braided some of my hair into the other one. And if that happens to you, it's really no big deal. You can do exactly what I just did and hold the braid steady and pull it out. It won't ruin anything. Hair foul. Let's try that again. All right. All right, now you've got 4 different braids going on. And while you were braiding your hair, you should have had your flat iron heating up. I'm sorry, I totally should have said that in the beginning, and I am so sorry for that. So if you have to take a brief intermission to plug that flat iron in and get it heat up, go right ahead. I'm gonna have some coffee. All right, so what you're gonna do next after your flat iron is nice and hot, you're going to take one of the braids and just go down. I like to press on each different part for a couple of seconds to where I know it's getting that heat and it should achieve the look that we're trying to accomplish. I also go over it twice just to be sure that I'm gonna get the look I want. And then you just repeat the process with each braid that you have. Hand cramp. All right, so we're doing the second pass over on the last braid. All right, now once you've got that done, you're gonna just take out the rubber bands or the ponytails or whatever you decided to use. You don't actually even have to use anything because braids tend to stay put sometimes. All right, now that we've got all of the ponytails out, we're going to undo the braid. All right, and then you've got a crinkly kind of right off the beach look. You can see the waves in there. They're not as prominent as I would like, so I'm guessing the braid trick didn't quite work out. But from personal experience, I know that once you have that braid in, if you spritz it down with a little bit of hairspray and then go over it with the flat iron, it'd probably be a little bit more defined. So now all I'm going to do to finish off the look is give my bangs just a little bit of a straight with a small curl at the end. Do the same thing over there. And now I am ready for the beach, and hopefully you are too. If you don't like this tutorial, there are many more out there, and tomorrow I will upload one where we do the twists instead. And we'll see which one comes out better. Later on in the week, I'll also redo this tutorial with adding some hairspray and see if that gives you the curls that you want more. And if you don't have a flat iron, don't worry about it. If you dump in the shower or spray your hair down with some water and then do the braids and sleep in it overnight, take those braids out and you are going to have a crimpy, beachy, wavy, gorgeous mermaid hairstyle as soon as you wake up in the morning. So if you liked this video, hit the subscribe button and the like. Ring the bell if you want new notifications for whenever I upload a new video, and I hope you enjoyed it.